topic which we have taken up is number system with units digit. Number system with units digit. Now, there are a few different categories when it comes to units digit. Now, first and foremost, tell me one thing. What do you understand by the word units digit? Anyone? Do you know what do you understand by the word units digit? किसी को पता है units digit का मतलब क्या होता है? As I said, it's going to be an interactive thing. I want you guys to answer. So if I write, say, a number 3, 2, 5, 7, 1, can anyone identify the units digit for me? Can any one of you identify? Yes. Very good. Yes. This is the units place or the units digit. Okay, this is 1. So सबको units digit अभी पता है? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine. So when I talk about the units digit, this is the last digit. तो questions किस तरह के आते हैं वो समझना है. And not only that, we have to understand how to solve them. We have to understand how to solve them. So there are few techniques and there are few tricks. हर एक type के question के हिसाब से अलग-अलग techniques and अलग-अलग tricks हैं. चलो, let's see the different type of questions and how to solve them. Ready, everyone? So हम क्या पढ़ने वाले वो समझ में आ चुका है. And we will now start seeing different types of it. Okay? Is everyone ready? You can have a paper and a pen
Yes,
with you
ma'am.
because solving भी करना है आपको. Okay, चलो. Okay. The very first type of question which I have put up over here. Calculate the digit in the units place of the product. 274 into 577 into 318 into 313. कितना expected time आपको लग रहा है कि ये question को solve करने के लिए लगना चाहिए हमको? And calci is not allowed. By the way, calculators are not allowed during your aptitude test exams. How do you think you will solve this? Any idea? Anyone? हमको क्या ढूंढना है? Question में क्या पूछा है? The digit in the units place. मुझे last digit से लेना देना है. तो ये जो last digit है मैं उसी पे concentrate करूँगी. 4 into 7. How much is that, students?
28.
28. मुझे 28 से भी अभी लेना देना नहीं है. I will just look at the units place. That is 8. 8 8s are 64. Again, look at the units place. That is 4. 4 3s are 12. Units place is 2. कितने लोगों को ये समझ में आया? कितने लोगों को ये समझ में आया? Okay. I got only 2 people raising their hands. Okay. What about others? Okay, no problem. Fine. Thanks, Dhruv, for asking the doubt. Okay. The question is to find the digit in the units place. Last digit ढूंढना है आपको. You are concerned only with the last digit. I can definitely multiply and check. I can do this. 274 into 577. फिर उसके आंसर को multiply by 318. Then उसके आंसर को multiply by 313. And उसके आंसर का last digit निकालो. ये कर सकते हैं. Lot of time will be wasted. What I want is the last digit. So you know that the last digit will be obtained by multiplying the last. So 7 4s are 28. Okay. I'll just take the last digits. 4 into 7 into 8 into 3. Check. 4 into 7 into 8 into 3. 4 7s are 28. I will take only the last digit. 8. 28 आता है, 2 को नहीं कंसिडर करना है. 8 into 8. This one I multiplied now. Answer is 64. Again, forget the 6. I will concentrate on 4. Bring down this 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Answer is 2. How many of you understood this? Clear with all of you? Is this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So this is one type of question. This is one type of question. Let me see you guys have 1 second. And students, anywhere in between, if you find my pace is fast or slow or not audible, not understandable, please ask. Okay? That was one type of question. ये second type of question हो गया. चलो. अब ये जब second type of question है, वहाँ पे I think 4 numbers थे ना हमारे previous sum में. यहाँ पे 4 numbers थे, तो मैंने 4 numbers के last digit को multiply कर दिया. यहाँ पे मेरे पास 9 numbers हैं. Do I need to multiply all 9 of them? And yes, of course, I can do that. Okay, can you guys tell me the answer for this? Can you guys tell me the answer for this? Yes, please. No, no. बीच में डॉट डॉट है मतलब उधर वहाँ पे 84 भी है, 85 भी है, 86 है, 87 है, 88 है. सारे नंबर्स हैं. 81 से लेकर 89 तक सारे नंबर्स हैं. Okay, that's correct, Jay.
0.
Yes, the answer is 0. Answer is 0. How did you get that? By multiplying? सारे last digits को multiply किए. Okay, I'll give you a better shot. I'll give you a better shortcut. I'll give you a better shortcut. यहाँ पे मैं आंसर orally बता सकते without multiplying. You will have to remember this rule. You will have to remember this rule, which says, and even number into 5 will give me a 0. Is this correct? 5 2s are 10 होता है, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30. Everywhere the last digit is 0, right? So the rule says even number multiplied by 5 is 0. Now let's see. In this series, I have this even number. I have this even number 2. And somewhere here, I have this 85, right? Somewhere here, I have this 85. So 2 5s are 10. Answer will be 0. And we know that 0 into anything is again going to give me 0. फिर मुझे यहाँ पे 100 नंबर्स भी दे देंगे तो आंसर 0 ही आने वाला है. ये सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. Once I see even number and 5, answer 0. Fine. So we were talking about the multiplication here. So whenever you get 100 numbers also, you will get 2 into 5. Whenever you see an even number multiplied by 5, the answer should be 0. The answer should be 0. I hope it's clear with all of you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. The first question we multiplied literally because वहाँ पे कहीं पे भी even number into 5 नहीं था. Okay, and यहाँ पे अच्छा एक और चीज. Can you tell me this? अगर even number into 5 is giving me 0, what will odd number into 5 give me? What will?
5.
Yes, very good, very good. So odd number into 5 is going to give me a 5. Is this okay? Odd number into 5 is going to give me a 5. I am not taking any unverified people inside. Okay. Okay. So even number into 5 is going to give me a 0 and odd number multiplied by 5 is going to give me a 5. So this is something which you will have to remember. This is a rule which you guys will have to remember. I hope I made myself very clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Are the two types clear? Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So now, if you're clear, I want you guys to try these questions on your own and tell me the answers. The first question goes like this. I want the answer from you guys. What's the last digit? Answer.
2.
Very good. That's quick. The answer is 2. Yes, very nice. Did all of you understand? Hardly took 10 seconds. So next time इतने बड़े बड़े numbers, इतने बड़े बड़े question देख के डरना नहीं है. Is that okay? Clear with all of you? ठीक है? Next. चलो, answer.
0.
0.
Very good, very good. Because I know that is 182, which is even, and 185, which is going to be 5. So even number into 5 is going to be 0. So answer is 0. Within 5 seconds, you could answer. Okay? Because let me tell you, aptitude test is a time game. Accuracy and speed दोनों चाहिए हमको वहाँ पे. आंसर करेक्ट भी आना चाहिए, घाई घाई में आंसर गलत भी नहीं जाना चाहिए. And speed is also something which is required. So I hope these two types are absolutely clear with all of you. Absolutely clear? Shall we move on to the next type?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, और हमने 3 rules पढ़ लिए. 3 rules नहीं, 2 rules पढ़े हैं. Okay? One was even number into 5 is going to give me a 0, and second was odd number into 5 is going to give me a 5. Okay, let's proceed further. Chalo. Let me clear the screen. Now this question is saying the units digit of this particular product is 2. Units digit दे दिया है हमारे पास. There is this product जिसका unit digit is 2. Find the value of this star. एक missing number है वो ढूंढना है. Okay, एक missing number है वो ढूंढना है. कैसे ढूंढेंगे? Let's start with the normal multiplication. 9 6 are how much?
54.
54. 4 रखेंगे because we are concerned only with the units digit. 5 we'll forget. 4 4s are 16. The units digit will be 6. 6 into some x is going to give me a 2 as a units digit. Which of the options do you think will work?
2. 6 into 2, 12.
6 into 2, but options में से ढूंढना है बेटा.
6 into 7.
6 into 7, yes. 6 7s are 42. जय 3 कैसे आएगा? 6 3s are 18 हो जाएगा ना? मुझे units digit 2 चाहिए. See, I do know that 6 2s are भी 12 होता है and 6 7s are 42 होता है. दोनों में units digit 2 है, which is required. But out of the options, the correct option will be 7. Is the question clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Every one of you? If you still have any doubts, please ask. Okay, so there was a missing number, units digit was given. We had to choose from the given options. If the options were not given, of course, 2 and 7 both are the correct answers. Okay, let's proceed further. Okay, now this is a third type of question. Calculate the units digit of 9 raised to 37. 9 raised to 37. 9 raised to 37 का मतलब हो जाएगा I have to multiply 9 37 times. Into करके 37 times I'll have to write 9 like this. So even though if I'm looking at only the units place, जैसे हमने अभी तक देखा है 9 9s are 81, तो 1 बचेगा, फिर 1 into 9, ये मुझे 37 टाइम्स करना पड़ेगा. अगर एक एक कैलकुलेशन को मुझे एक एक सेकेंड भी लग रहा है तो आई एम वेस्टिंग 37 सेकेंड्स हियर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द एक्यूरेसी, आई डोंट नो. कहीं गलती से एक आध नंबर काउंटिंग में मिस्टेक हो गया, विल आई गेट अ करेक्ट आंसर? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इज द डिफिकल्टी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो अब इसको सॉल्व करने का शॉर्टकट ट्रिक सीखना है आप लोगों को. डज एवरीवन वांट्स टू लर्न दैट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So let's see. Before we get into the calculation of this type, as I told you, there are many different types. Before we get into the calculation of this type, we will go for a cyclicity table of units digit. पावर्स वाले क्वेश्चन के लिए we will be making a cyclicity table of only the units digit. Now इसका मतलब क्या है? Let me explain. I have written down the digits from 2 to 9. Now students, in your decimal number system, you're just allowed to use the digits from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. यही नंबर्स आपके लास्ट यूनिट्स प्लेस पे आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, मैंने जानबूझ के 0 और 1 को वहाँ पे नहीं इंक्लूड किया है. I have made the table only from 2 to 9. You will understand once we start calculating things. Now what we want to do here is, or what we are going to do here is, calculate each of these numbers square, cube and the fourth power and note down its units digit. And note down its units digit. Are you understanding? In the cyclicity table, these digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we will calculate their squares and cubes and fourth power and we'll note down the units digit. Let's start going so that you will understand it better. So 2 का square is 4, which is a single digit number, तो 4 आ जाएगा. 2 का cube is 8, again a single digit number, so 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16, a 2-digit number. I am concerned with the units digit, so I will write 6 here. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कर रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है? We are writing down the powers of the number and the units place. Students, how much is n raised to 5? 2 raised to 5, how much is that? What is the value of 2 raised to 5?
32.
32. So if I go for 2 raised to 5, उसका units place again will be 2.
Yes.
Units place वापस यहाँ पे आ जाएगा.
Yes.
If I go for 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 6, 64. Yes, it's 64. So the units digit is 4 again. Units digit is 4 again. Just give me 1 second. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So students, what do you observe here? As I go finding the power, do you see the powers are repeating after a particular time period? It's like 2, then 4, then 8, then 6. We are talking only about the units place, okay? Units place repeat हो रहे हैं. Do you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why इसको cyclicity बोला गया है. Cyclicity का मतलब है वो cyclic है. मतलब it's like this. 2 के बाद 4, 4 के बाद 6, 6 के बाद वापस 6 के बाद 8 and again then 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. It's going to be a cycle. Do you see that? It's going to be a cycle. Do you guys understand this? So the cyclicity for 2 is 4. मतलब इसमें 4 अलग अलग डिजिट्स आते हैं. पहले 2 आएगा, फिर 4 आएगा, फिर 8 आएगा, फिर 6 आएगा. Again the cycle will continue. 2, 4, 8, 6. Is everyone getting this? Is every one of you understanding this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll go for 3 now. We'll go for 3. 3 square is 9. I am interested only in the units digit. This is a single digit number, so no problem. Okay. 3 cube is 27. I'm interested in the units digit, so I'll put 7 here. 3 raised to 4 is 81. Again, interested in the units digit, so 1 here. 3 raised to 5. Even if I don't know the answer, मुझे calculate नहीं भी करना है, so मुझे क्या करना है basically यहाँ पे 3 को 5 बार multiply करना है. Okay, so basically I can do 9 3s are 27. Answer 7 ही आने वाला है. 7 3s are 21. Answer 1 आएगा. 1 into 3 is again going to give me a 3. Do you see the cycle will continue again?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also the cyclicity is 4. Here also the cyclicity is 4. Let's go for 4. 4 4s are 16. 6 is the answer. Units place. 6 4s are 24. We are going to multiply 4 again and again. Okay. So units digit is 4. Again 4 6s are 24. Sorry. 4 4s are 16. So it will be 6. So students, what is the cyclicity in this place? कितने digits हैं?
2.
2. The cyclicity is 2. Okay. 5. 5 5s are 25. So last digit is 5 again. Again 5 5s are 25. Again the last digit will be 5. Again 5 5s are 25. Again the last digit will be 5. If you want for cross checking, you can check it with the calci, or you can multiply and check that 5 raised to 1 is 5, 5 square is 25, last digit is 5, 5 cube is 125, again the last digit is 5, 5 raised to 4 is 625, last digit is again 5. You can check it with the calci, or you can multiply and check on your own. You will find always the last digit is 5, so cyclicity is 1. मतलब 5 का कोई भी पावर आएगा, आंसर हमेशा यूनिट्स डिजिट के लिए 5 ही होगा. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो 6 का बताओ मुझे. 6 का पावर
6 1
6
6 6 6.
6 6 6 6. अगेन साइक्लिसिटी 1 है.
Yes, ma'am.
अगेन साइक्लिसिटी 1 है. 7 7 7s are 49, so 9 here. 9 7s are 63, so 3 here. 3 7s are 21, so 1 here. And if I multiply again, I will go back to 7. So cyclicity is 4. I hope people are understanding cyclicity.
Yes, ma'am.
8 8s are 64, so 4. 4 8s are 32, so 2. 2 8s are 16, so 6. 6 8s are 48, again goes back to the previous number, that is 8. So cyclicity is 4. 9 9s are 81, so 1 here. 1 9s are 9, so again a 9. 9 9s are 81 again, so 1 here. Cyclicity is 2. Cyclicity is 2. I'm just erasing these multiplication signs over here so that there is no confusion. We have noted down the units digits of all the powers of these numbers from 1 to 4. जानबूझ के 5th 6th power नहीं लिया है because it's going to be cyclic. It is going to be cyclic. Has everyone understood this table? How did we do it?
Yes, ma'am.
इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है और पूरा टेबल बाय हार्ट नहीं
Yes.
करना है. पूरा टेबल बाय हार्ट नहीं करना है. टेंशन नहीं लेना है. ऐसा अगर लग रहा है कि मुझे एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट के लिए इतना बड़ा टेबल बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा, नो, यू विल नॉट हैव टू डू दैट. ओके, सो हाउ टू यूज दिस टेबल. अगर ये टेबल एक बार अगर समझ में आ चुका है, ओके, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू विल रिक्वायर वन मोर स्मॉल टिप. लेट मी गिव इट टू यू एज वेल. दिख रहा है ये टेबल. Second thing which you will have to know is the test of divisibility for 4. Now students, when I say test of divisibility for 4, इसका मतलब क्या है? When can I say a number is divisible by 4? Just looking at the number, not by dividing, okay? By looking at the number. Say I have 10,264. Looking at the number, I can say this is divisible by 4. Just by looking, I have not divided. You guys give me any 6-digit number, come on. Give me any 6-digit number. You can also give me a 7 or 8-digit number quickly. कोई भी random 6 या 7-digit number बना दो. Okay, I have. Can you dictate it, please? 685472. Okay, this is a 6-digit number. I claim it is divisible by 4. I claim it is divisible by 4, and trust me, सोनाली के साथ मेरा पहले बात नहीं हुआ था इस टॉपिक पे. करेक्ट ना सोनाली? Even numbers? No. I'll give you an even number जो divisible नहीं है. I'll give you an even number which is not divisible. I'll take your number only, Sonali. 70 ले लिया. Not divisible. So no, even number is not the criteria.
Ma'am, because it is present in the cyclic table.
No. As I said, cyclicity एक अलग concept है, वो भी हमको पता होना चाहिए. And divisible by 4 ये अलग concept है, ये भी हमको पता होना चाहिए. ये दो चीजें हमारे पास होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? दोनों एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड नहीं है. चलो. No, last digit से नहीं पता चलता है. Okay, let me show you one example जहाँ पे last digit same होगा. ये 2 वाला और 4 वाला last digit होगा, but still it will not be divisible. Not divisible. एकदम छोटा सा नंबर दिया मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल. सो अगर ये लास्ट डिजिट पे डिपेंडेंट होता तो ऐसा नहीं होता. So any guesses or you want me to give the answer? Any guesses or you want me to give the answer?
You give the answer.
Okay. It depends not on the last digit. You're very close to the answer. It depends on the last 2 digits. It depends on the last 2 digits. So if the last 2 digits, are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. See here, 64. 16 4s are 64, correct? 16 4s are 64. 64 goes in the table of 4. तो ये जो पूरा नंबर है ये 4 के टेबल में जाएगा. ये पूरा नंबर 4 के टेबल में जाएगा. You can check it. कैलसी से डिवाइड करो, डेसिमल में आंसर नहीं आएगा. You can check it. आंसर डेसिमल में नहीं आएगा. And if I want to still make it more complicated, I can add 5 more digits before it. And still the answer will be divisible by 4. Still the answer will be divisible by 4. Can you see the 5 digits which I have added?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Because for me it's not showing. I've logged in via 2 devices. Second device it's not showing me. Can you read the number 9152312564?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. For me it's not showing. I don't know why. Okay, fine. So ये जो नंबर है 9152312564 will also be divisible because इसके एंड में 64 है. ठीक है. सो हमारे पास अभी 2 कंसेप्ट्स हैं जिनको हम आगे जाके यूज करने वाले हैं. One is cyclicity and second over here is divisibility test by 4. Okay, so let me just clear this and let's see the question. Also students, just tell me one thing. मैंने यहाँ पे 0 और 1 का क्यों नहीं लिखा है? Do I need to write the cyclicity for 0 and 1?
No, ma'am, because zero answer will be zero
No,
only.
ma'am, because
Correct.
And
Zero के
one will be one.
one
yeah,
answer is
yes. 0, 1, 5 and 6. 0, 1, 5 and 6. All these four numbers will always have the same answer in the units place. कोई भी पावर ले लो, कोई भी पावर ले लो, 0 का, 1 का, 5 का and 6 का आंसर हमेशा सेम रहेगा. ओके फाइन. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर विद द क्वेश्चंस जो हम देख रहे थे. 9 रेज टू 37 हम इस पे थे. तो 9 रेज टू 37 को कैसे सॉल्व करना है, टेक्निक समझ लो. इट्स वेरी इजी. माई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विल बी at this number first. Is this number divisible by 4? Is this number
No.
divisible? No. So I will find the remainder. I will find the remainder. Remainder कितना है इसका? 4 से divide करोगे तो? Yes. अच्छा, एक और चीज. 9 के लिए साइक्लिसिटी क्या था? अगर याद नहीं है, कैलकुलेट कर लो. 9 पहला डिजिट 9 आएगा. 9 into 9 raised to 1 is 9 itself. 9 9s are 81 था, right? तो last digit 1. 1 into 9 will give me again a 9. 9 into 9 will again give me a 1. So cyclicity is 2. Cyclicity for 9 is 2. Is this okay with everyone till here? I can always orally do the calculation. Orally ये calculation किया जा सकता है. Cyclicity मेरा 2 है. I will divide 37 by cyclicity. I will divide 37 by the cyclicity. Remainder note down करना है. Remainder कितना आएगा? 37 divided by 2. Remainder
1/8.
1. Remainder is 1. Okay. My units digit is given by the last digit raised to the remainder. The units digit. Question में units digit पूछा है. Will be given by the last digit. यहाँ पे last digit 9 ही है क्योंकि अकेला नंबर है. So this is 9 raised to 1. Answer is 9. Answer is 9. So the units digit for 9 raised to 37 is 9. You can use your computers, not the calculators, because calculator will not give you such a big answer. 9 raised to 37 का answer नहीं देगा. You can use a computer, find the units digit, is it coming to 9? How many of you understood what did we do here? How many of you understood?
Please repeat it.
Yes, we will. Don't worry. सबसे पहले साइक्लिसिटी ढूंढना है. किसकी साइक्लिसिटी? लास्ट डिजिट की. किसकी साइक्लिसिटी? लास्ट डिजिट. यहाँ पे सिंगल डिजिट नंबर है 9, तो उसका लास्ट डिजिट भी 9 ही रहेगा. 9 की साइक्लिसिटी अगर मुझे याद नहीं है, ओरली कैलकुलेट कर लिया. सी मुझे 2 मिल गया. साइक्लिसिटी मुझे 2 मिला. नेक्स्ट आई हैव टू फाइंड रिमाइंडर. किसका रिमाइंडर? द पावर डिवाइडेड बाय साइक्लिसिटी का रिमाइंडर. पावर यहाँ पे 37 है, divided by cyclicity which is 2, the remainder is 1. 37 divided by 2, the remainder is 1. My units digit will be given by the last digit raised to the remainder, which is 9 raised to 1, which is 9. Did you understand this at least up to 50%?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
We will see more examples to get it thorough. Let's see more examples. चलो, सबसे पहले लास्ट डिजिट पे ध्यान देना है. यहाँ पे एक ही डिजिट है तो मेरा लास्ट डिजिट यहाँ पे होगा 4. लास्ट डिजिट यहाँ पे होगा 4. इस लास्ट डिजिट की साइक्लिसिटी क्या है? 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 6 4s are 24. So again the cyclicity is 2, correct? Cyclicity is 2. The remainder is equal to the power divided by the cyclicity, which is 446 divided by 2. How much is that? 446 divided by 2. Remainder कितना? Zero.
Zero.
Remainder is 0. Now you will have to remember that whenever the remainder is 0, your units digit will be the same as remainder 4. फोर्थ पावर का जो रिमाइंडर का आंसर आता है वही यहाँ पे लिखना है हमको, ठीक है, फोर्थ पावर वाला. So now when I look at this question, my units digit is the last digit raised to remainder, which is 4 raised to 0, but ideally I will take it 4 raised to 4 as per this rule. Okay, 4 raised to 4 मतलब 4 6, I think 4 6 वापस आ रहा था, राइट? तो फोर्थ पावर का यूनिट्स डिजिट क्या होगा यहाँ पे? फोर्थ पावर का यूनिट्स डिजिट क्या होगा? Yes, answer will be 6. Answer will be 6. So my units digit for 4 raised to 446 is 6. You can check it with the help of computer, not with the help of calculators. Calculators don't give such big answers. How many of you now understood it at least to 60%? थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ा compared to what it was before.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't worry, we are going to see ample of examples. Okay, don't worry. चलो. Next question. यहाँ पे I have taken a bigger number. Let me just switch in some things here. I think Kashish, you can stop posting the link now. No need to post anymore. And thank you for doing it for so long. Okay. Getting back here, students. Now it's a 4-digit number. I'll look at the last digit, which is 7. I will have to write down the cyclicity of 7. What is the cyclicity of 7?
4.
7, yes. I'll write down the digits here. 7, then 9, then 3, then 1, and then 7 again, correct? 7 sevens are 49, so 9 बचेगा. 9 sevens are 63, तो units place में 3. 3 sevens are 21, तो units place में 1. Okay? So that's going to be 7, 9, 3, 1, again 7, 9, 3, 1. So cyclicity 4 का है. The power, that is 173 को हमको 4 से divide करना है and remainder लिखना है यहाँ पे. You know, I don't have to divide 173 पूरा. Last के 2 digits को divide कर दिया हम तो भी बस हो जाएगा. What will be the remainder? 1. The remainder is 1. So my last digit, that is 7, raised to the remainder, that is 1. Answer is 7. So the last digit of such a big number you could calculate within say 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Answer is 7. यहाँ पे ये रूल एप्लीकेबल नहीं हुआ because remainder 0 नहीं था. Did every one of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it reaching somewhere around 75% of your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see a few more examples. Okay. Now, okay, I've just noted down some things here. If the remainder is 0, I already told you the rule. Treat the power as equivalent to the power of 4. Treat the power as equivalent to the power of 4. For the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, the units digit will be dash. Now I've left it to you. Can you tell me, if the remainder is 0, what will be the units digit for the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8? It's asking you to generalize. 2, 4, 6, 8. अगर मेरा रिमाइंडर अगर 0 आता है तो आंसर क्या होगा यहाँ पे? चलो Calculate, check, tell me.
6.
Answer is 6. Everyone? देखना है cyclicity table. Want to check the cyclicity table? Oh, I erased it. Okay. In the cyclicity table, we had a 6 everywhere. I cannot now keep claiming with that. Okay. You can reconstruct the cyclicity table and check if the answer is coming 6. For me, when I saw the 6 itself, 6 के सारे powers any which way 6 है. So raised to 4 अगर रहा तो आंसर 6 ही आने वाला है, तो सारे numbers का आंसर 6 होगा. We can check that because 2 raised to 4 is also going to give me a last में 6. 2 raised to 4 is 16, answer is going to be 6. 4 raised to 4 is 256, answer is 6 in the end. Are you guys understanding this? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the similar manner, can you generalize for 3, 7 and 9? Huh? 3, 7 and 9.
1.
Very good. The answer is going to be 1 always. The answer is going to be 1 always. Any doubts? So if you find numbers which are divisible by 4, 4 के divisible numbers आए तो remainder 0 आएगा obviously. You will treat it as power of 4 and this is your standard answer which you will always get. These are your standard answers which you will always get. Okay? So let's see further. Chalo. Can you orally quickly tell me the answer? Use the rule which you just studied.
Ma'am, 6.
6.
Answer is 6. Yes. 448. 48 जो है वो divisible by 4 है. 48 जो है वो divisible by 4 है. And ये जो last digit है मेरा वो even number है, 4 है. And अभी हमने देखा कि 4 raised to anything divisible by 4 answer will give me 6 only ना. So यहाँ पे units digit 6 होगा. Units digit 6 होगा. Did everyone understand? हमारे रूल के हिसाब से भी कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं. रूल के हिसाब से करोगे तो भी आंसर सेम ही आएगा. Anyone confused? Please feel free to ask. Shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नंबर्स बड़े बड़े होते जा रहे हैं. 3 raised to 7448. Am I even concerned with the 7 and 4? मुझे divisible by 4 के लिए लास्ट के 2 digits ही देखने होते हैं.
Unit place will be 6.
दिमाग लगाओ, दिमाग लगाओ. और नंबर है. It's 3 raised to बेटा.
Answer will be 1.
1.
Very good. Answer will be 1. Units place will be 1. Okay. 3, 7 and 9 के लिए units place answer will be 1. 2, 4, 6, 8 के लिए answer will be 6. So यहाँ पे I have 3 raised to a number which is divisible by 4. So answer will be 1. Simple. No
Yes,
calculations. No calculations. Just look at the number. Okay, divisible by 4 है, odd number है. Answer 1 आ गया. Answer 1 आ गया. Okay, 3, 7, 9 में से आया तो आंसर 1 आ गया. ठीक है? Okay. चलो अभी थोड़ा सा लेवल अप करेंगे because you guys seem to be doing very good. So we'll just increase the level. Is it okay with everyone? ठीक है? चलो. Now there are 3 numbers. तीनों पावर वाले numbers हैं. तीनों के multiplication का आंसर लिखना है मुझे यहाँ पे. Okay, तीनों के multiplication का आंसर.
6.
Okay, that was very quick. Let's see answer is 6 or no. 7 raised to 71. 7 raised to 71. Your the last digit is 7. I remember cyclicity for 7 was 4, correct? So 71 raised Divide by 4. Answer will be 3 if I'm not wrong. Answer will be 3. Yes or no? रिमाइंडर 71 को अगर 4 से डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर 3 आ रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू देयर? ओके. एंड 7 क्यूब के लिए 7 का साइकिल देखेंगे तो 7, 9, 3 एंड 1 था. तो 7 क्यूब का लास्ट डिजिट 3 आएगा. इसका आंसर 3 है. 6 raised to 59. 6 raised to anything. Answer is how much?
6.
6. मैंने कैलकुलेशन नहीं किया. डिविजिबल बाय 4, डिविजिबल बाय एनीथिंग नहीं किया. 6 raised to anything. Answer is 6. 3. 3 के powers 3, 9, 27 and 81. Cyclicity is 4. So last digit, that is 3 raised to 65 divided by 4. Remainder is 1. So answer is 3. बीच में multiplication sign है. Let's multiply the units digit. 3 6 are 18. 8 is a units digit. 8 3s are 24. So the units digit for this question is 4. Is it? How many of you understood this? How many of you understood this? We have to do individual calculation. 7 raised to 71 अलग से किया. 6 raised to 59 अलग से किया. 3 raised to 65 we did it separately. Whatever were the answers, we multiplied them and then found the answer was 4. This question might take somewhere around 20, 30 seconds, 10 seconds each, no problem. And students, as I said, your competitive exams are not only speed, they are also about accuracy. There are many competitive exams where there are negative marking. So in my excitement, I see and I answer quickly and the answer goes wrong. No. Think from all the dimensions. Okay, fine. Shall we proceed? Everyone? So you have this question. चलो, 4 parts. इसमें से मुझे इसका आंसर रेडीमेड पता है. What's the answer? 6. Always. इसका last digit raised to the remainder. 104. Last के 2 digit पे ध्यान दो. Divisible by 4 है. So I will get the remainder as 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
379 raised to any number divisible by 4. Answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. Okay, तो इसका आंसर 1 आ गया. This will be 3 raised to the remainder. 85 को अगर 4 से डिवाइड करो तो remainder 1 है. And 3 raised to 1 is nothing but 3. This also will require a remainder. 9 raised to
3.
yes 3. And यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा 9. So 9 into 3 into 1 into 6. Let me make this arrow a little bigger. Okay. Chalo, now tell me the final answer. What is the units digit?
2.
Yes, very good. That's quick. Is everyone getting it? Is everyone getting it? Okay.
मैम
Yes, dear.
ये फर्स्ट में 9 क्यों आया?
Answer 9 क्यों आया? 9
हाँ.
cube का 9 9s
हाँ.
are 81. तो units digit 1. 1 into 9 is again 9.
ओके ओके
Okay. बेसिकली 9 का साइक्लिसिटी 2 है तो इसको मुझे 2 से डिवाइड करना चाहिए था तो रिमाइंडर 1 आता था एक्चुअली. ओके, बट मैं सेफर साइड के लिए 4 का साइक्लिसिटी से वर्क कर सकती हूँ. आंसर मिलेगा मुझे उससे भी. इसको साइक्लिसिटी से डिवाइड करोगे तो आंसर 1 आएगा, तो आंसर 9 ही आने वाला है. दिस इज ओके. ठीक है. Shall we proceed to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Help me. 3 raised to 53. 3 का cyclicity 4 था, right? 3 का cyclicity 4 था. So have to divide it by 4. Remainder कितना होगा?
3.
Remainder कितना होगा? No, not 3. Not 3. Remainder? 1. Very good.
1.
And 3 raised to 1 is 3. Remainder is 1. चलो 5 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो आंसर हमेशा क्या आता है?
5.
5.
Students, I see a odd number multiplied by 5. यहाँ के आंसर्स भी कोई odd number होगा? Correct? Because ये खुद odd number है ना? Answers odd number आएंगे. So do you know the answer directly? Do you know the answer directly? Yes, very
5.
good. I did not calculate. I just wrote the answer 5. I just wrote the answer 5. Simple? Simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see next. Okay, यहाँ पे ट्रिक हमको समझ में आ चुका है. That odd number into 5 is 5. Okay. I've put such a big number today here. Can you guys orally tell me the answer? Can you guys orally tell me the answer? मुझे क्वेश्चन देख के आंसर समझ में आ चुका है. Can you guys orally tell me the answer?
5.
5.
No, not 5. No. No. फाइव का कोई भी पावर 5 देगा. 5 का कोई भी पावर आपको आंसर 5 ही देगा. मतलब लास्ट नंबर आपका 5 ही आने वाला है.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is 0.
Perfect. Answer is 0. That's very good, Usha. How did you get the 0? Can you explain others? Can you
Right.
explain?
By calculating each term by using that remainder rule.
ओ बाबा इतना लंबा किया. नो आई कैन डू इट ओरली. मैंने सिर्फ क्वेश्चन देखा और आंसर 0 है, मुझे पता है. एनीवन एल्स? You have done it correctly, no problem. But then what happens is a lot of precious seconds are wasted. Anyone else? कोई ट्रिक टेक्निक जो हमने सीखा है दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है?
Even
Ma'am,
number
because
into
2
0.
and 4 even number into 5 is 0.
करेक्ट. इवन नंबर इंटू 5 is 0. 2 का कोई भी पावर इवन नंबर आएगा. 4 का कोई भी पावर इवन नंबर आएगा. कौन सा इवन नंबर आएगा उससे हमको कोई लेना देना नहीं है. 2 आएगा, 4 आएगा, 6 आएगा, 8 आएगा, वी डोंट नो. But it is going to be an even number. An even number into 5 is always going to give me a 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको समझा? So even though I have a power of 10,467, a power of 6,754, my answer is going to be 0 units digit. That's it. Okay? थोड़ा सा रूल्स का प्रैक्टिस करोगे आ जाएगा. Okay? चलो. Now we have to subtract the units digit. We have to subtract the units digit. 7 raised to 95. Individual units digit को calculate करेंगे. Individual units digit को calculate करेंगे. 7 is cyclicity 4. So last digit that is 7 raised to 95 को divide by 4 किया. So how much? Remainder 3. 7 raised to 3 का आंसर कितना आता है? Units digit?
1.
No, not 1. Not 1. No. 7 raised to 4 का आंसर 1 है.
3.
3. Yes, it's 3. 3. Okay? यहाँ पे चलो लास्ट डिजिट इज 3. रिमाइंडर कितना होगा? 3 का साइक्लिसिटी भी 4 था. तो रिमाइंडर कितना होगा यहाँ पे?
2.
2. Answer is 9. I have to subtract. Now students, you can see this is a smaller number, this is a bigger number. Correct? Do you see that? I cannot write
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot write the units digit to be -6. No. My units digit would be 4. My units digit will be 4. You can add a 1 here because कुछ भी हो जाए आगे एक नंबर होगा जिसका कैरी होगा ना, whatever number it is, इसमें लास्ट में 3 होगा, आगे का जो भी नंबर है उसमें से एक कैरी 1 ले सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे, एंड उसमें से हम 9 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आंसर 4 आएगा. Did you guys get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? So I hope you know how I got this 1 year. Okay? चलो और क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. यहाँ पे ऐड करना है. Again 7, cyclicity 4, last digit raised to the remainder. Do you know the remainder? Do you know the remainder?
1.
No.
Three.
3. The remainder is 3. What's the answer? The units digit? What's the units digit?
Three, ma'am.
7.
No, 7. 7.
Ma'am, 1.
How 1?
It's three.
3 again, yes. ये रहा ना. 7 raised to 1, 7 raised to 2, 7 raised to 3 and 7 raised to 4. Answer is 3. चलो 5 raised to 94. 5 raised to anything is 5. 6 raised to anything is 6. Correct? याद है ना सबको इतना? Next is 8. Cyclicity of 8 is 8, 64, 32 again, 2 and 6. Cyclicity is 4, तो 146 को 4 से डिवाइड करो. Not even 146, सिर्फ 46 को करो. रिमाइंडर कितना आता है? रिमाइंडर कितना आता है? Sorry, I cannot hear you.
2.
2. So यहाँ पे आपका units digit हो जाएगा 4. We have to add them. This is 8 plus 10, 18. So units digit will be 8. Units digit will be 8. Did you guys get this?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, 133 raised to 725. 62 raised to 33, 27 raised to 482 and 38 raised to 52. यहाँ से last digit is 3. Cyclicity for 3 is 4. 25 divided by 4 करेंगे तो remainder 1. Units digit will be 3. यहाँ पे last digit 2 है. 33 divided by 2 or 4 is always going to give me 1. Units digit is 2. यहाँ पे last digit 7 है. Divide by 82. Sorry, 82 divided by 4. Cyclicity for 7 is 4. What's the answer? The remainder is 2. Here the remainder would be 9. यहाँ पे last digit 8 है. Remainder is 0. I will treat it as equivalent to 4. Equivalent to 4. तो यहाँ पे आंसर मुझे 6 आएगा. Let me put the respective signs, minus, plus, minus. The answer is 1 here, the answer is 3 here, add them, answer is 4. Answer is 4. Is everyone getting? Students, are you confident?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I want to see whether you guys have actually understood this. But as I understand, you do have one more session today. at 9:15?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I will do is this quiz. I will give the link of this quiz in the Telegram group itself. Try it out today by day end so that you will also understand where you have actually understood or where you have not understood. Okay? And as I told you in the beginning itself, we are going to have a lecture series of 4 lectures. It's a workshop for 4 lectures every Saturday of the month of August. Today was the first. Next session, whenever you have, or in between, if you have any doubts, you can always feel free to contact me and ask the doubt based on this particular topic. The video recording of this particular topic will be available on YouTube. I will be sharing the link of the same by the end of the day. Okay. So if you guys have missed out, you can always check out. And at the end of 4 sessions, if you have attended all 4, you will get a certificate for the same. Is that okay with all of you? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, you guys can leave. Thank you very much. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay. You're welcome. Sakshi, Ankita, Ashwini, Pooja. Yeah, welcome. Okay. If Jay is here, I will definitely do that. Don't worry. And Jay, are you there? Yes, students, you can leave.